Hi guys, I'm doing a video where I didn't know what I'm doing because this is an obby. We're gonna do a 9-minute video. This is so easy. I'm disappointed. What way? Oh damn. Flynn, you're OP.
No, this is just 2 days ago.
I'm already popped.
You'll get very upset soon, Hayden.
No one, because I didn't have to.
Each time I was saying red, I think it might be something bad.
Come on! No! I keep doing careless action and walking.
Don't worry, that applies a lot, Hayden. Careless action. Each time that easy obby gets wrong, do not do stupid moves. That's a tip from 4. Never. No, why did you do that?
What's a tip on Arsenal?
A tip on Arsenal? I don't have a tip on Arsenal because I haven't done a video on Arsenal.
You have.
Have I? Oh yeah, I have. My memory is very bad. That's a ruckus in the background because my dog is trying to eat my fish.
This obby's too easy, I don't like it. I'm raging. You can prestige. That's just a waste of time then. Pepe.
I have a lot to do. My eyes are sore.
Your eyes are sore?
Yeah, because I've been concentrating for like 1 trillion hours.
It hasn't been an hour since you've been playing this.
I know it hasn't. I just got on and I started making a video 6 minutes ago, so that counts as 1 trillion hours.
So you're really microscopic.
I don't understand this level, it's so easy. And I don't know what to do. I do know how to activate comment. But we should try.
Oh, I don't even do it. I just use my recorder thing. Or do the automatic upload. So that's how I enable comments.
I hate my mic. I can't hear any of my friends when they're playing.
So you hate the mic.
No, I have my recorder. Because I want to have your voices.
Then download the recorder I use.
Yeah, I might be getting a new mic.
Pepe.
And when I eventually find out how to use comments, I'll just probably
Flynn.
do games like what games would you prefer me playing?
Flynn.
What?
Get my recorder. Get the recorder I use. That'll solve all the problems you just listed.
Does it?
Yep.
Okay then.
By the way, Flynn, the link to the recorder's in the, most of my videos.
And we'll bring the link to my Discord as well. I think I already said that.
Could you send a link to Noob Studios?
It's amazing, I use the Discord.
I don't have a Discord.
You should.
I do. Do you not think did you forget about the Noob Studios Discord group?
I am so dumb.
You forgot about my Discord group.
Yes, I forgot you had a Discord.
And you're the head developer of it too.
Yes, I know.
That's so sad.
I don't even know my friend had a Discord server for his YouTube channel.
And he's the head developer of it.
That's how good of a friend I am.
The
I'm
best.
going to do the outro as soon as I get from floor 4.
Floor 2?
Wow, that's a lot. How much have I got?
I'm on stage 50.
Hey, I see you, Hayden. I see you, Hayden.
Where are you? Oh,
Actually, no, it's for me. I'm gonna try and jump on you. I died.
that's an invisible block. The game creators of this, the owners of this game is Matt.
And do not do first person. Okay, guys, like, subscribe, whatever. Yeah, I think you should just say bye, and Burb says bye.
Burb.
Yes, Burb, bye.
My outro for this video is gonna be Burb. It's gonna say Burb says eat my boogers. Would that be the best outro in existence of outros?
Yeah.
Well then I'm gonna do it. No one has done. I'm gonna make that outro my paint thing, which is really bad. Ow. Ow. What? Baby. Look guys, I'm gonna make a Roblox game. It's gonna be obby. It's gonna be called Noob Jump Jump. No, easy Noob Jump and Jump, since on my group we're making a game called Noob Jump. It's like Tower of Hell, but not Tower of Hell. Should I have said heck then? Am I gonna get sued for that? I got 73 gems! I froze. I don't know what I'm meant to do when I get to a new stage. You jump on the thing. I do the thing that it doesn't want you to do. Unless it's like a jumping one like this. And then floor 3 portals over there. Wait, Flynn, what floor are you on?
I think I'm on floor.
Probably floor 3. Pepe. Well, I'm gonna end the video here. Now, see ya. But I need to do my outro. Read. Yes. Bye.